test everything right away and figure out what works, what doesn't work, pull back on what doesn't work, and double down on what does work. That worked really well like 2, 3 years ago. But it seems like over this past year, especially, Amazon has been really rewarding brands that focus more on conversion rates.
Exactly. And you have mentioned a very important thing. That is, first, you have to master your product. You have to get the best product. You have to get the best price from the supplier. And when you have a very good optimized product listing, then the advertisement and marketing will actually work for you.
Because the latter method, which is being very careful and deliberate with which products you're launching, that method seems to be overall more profitable. And I like to focus on profitability. What I find is that they tend to look for products that are already selling well, but there's very low competition, such as maybe like two major competitors, and that's it. And they also see opportunity in, perhaps doing better marketing than they are. Maybe it's better listings, maybe it's a better price point, right? That's like that could lose a lot of money doing that.
Good product. Again, we brought this up that the product has to be good and the sourcing price has to be good so that you have enough margin to test the product.